Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto cinnamon crumb cake muffins. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1.5 cups of Carbquik or any other kind of flour substitute that you like. And then 3/4 cup of some kind of sweetener substitute. I'm using the Monkfruit. Then you're going to need 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to melt that so you don't have to worry about it being at room temperature. So that's 2 sticks and then 2 tablespoons. Then you need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 large eggs, and we are going to beat those. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and then spray a 12 cavity muffin or cupcake tin with cooking spray. Alright, next I am going to add one stick of butter and 1 tablespoon of butter to a bowl, and I'm going to melt that in the microwave in 30-second increments until it's nice and melted. Alright, that's pretty melted to me, so I am going to pour that into my Carbquik and add my monk fruit, and I'm just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it's combined. Alright, that looks pretty well combined to me. I used my mixer for a little bit and then I just used a spatula. It will be like kind of grainy a little, but we are going to go ahead and take out a 1/2 cup of that to reserve it for the crumb topping. Alright, there is my 1/2 cup that I reserved for the topping. And now we are going to melt the rest of our butter in the microwave just the same way. Alright, next I'm going to add this melted butter to my remaining Carbquik mixture over here. And then I'm also going to add the cinnamon and the vanilla extract and then the eggs. You also want to add in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm not sure if I even had that in the ingredients, but you do need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder added right now at this point as well. Alright, everything is nice and combined. You only want to mix that with your electric mixer for about 15 seconds. You don't want to overbeat that. So next we are just going to go ahead and fill up our muffin tins about halfway full. Alright, all my batter is in my muffin tins here. And I did kind of smooth it out with a spoon just so I could see if I needed to take more out of any. So next we are going to crumble the topping over top of each one of these. Alright, those already look and smell so good. So now we are going to go ahead and bake them for 22 to 24 minutes. Alright, my muffins are out of the oven. They pretty much are pretty flat. So as soon as they came out, I just inverted them onto a cooling rack. I left them some of them upside down so you could see what I did. And they all came out really easy. So if you really grease your, or spray your muffin tin or your cupcake tin really well with cooking spray, they'll do great. So I'm just going to go ahead and let them cool. I'm going to flip these other ones over and just let them cool here on the cooling rack. Alright, these are all cooled off, so I am going to see what Taste Tester thinks, and I'm already going to tell you I had one, and they are delicious. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, nothing more. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.